SpaceX's Direct-to-Cell Satellites, creating a world without dead zones. Imagine a world without communication dead zones. That's the future SpaceX is striving to create with direct-to-cell satellites. These innovative satellites, part of the Starlink constellation, are redefining the barriers of connectivity, bringing the internet to the most remote places. Instead of traditional cell towers, SpaceX's satellites directly link to your devices. This eliminates the need for physical infrastructure in hard-to-reach areas. The potential implications for this technology are vast. Emergency responders, remote workers, and rural communities stand to benefit immensely from this change. But, as with all innovations, challenges exist. SpaceX must overcome regulatory hurdles and technical complexities to turn this vision into a reality. Join us as we dive deeper and explore how SpaceX's direct-to-cell satellites could revolutionize our world, taking us closer to a future without dead zones.